Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
I know it's the last day of 2021 and we're all thinking about maybe celebrating the end of 2021, heading into a new year, but we really need to think about preparing for this. This is the risk for severe weather tomorrow, and I would not be a bit surprised if the Storm Prediction Center does not add a level 4 out of 5, a moderate risk for some of our outlook area tomorrow. So keep that in mind that we may see this level 3 out of 5 become, at least in some portions of North Alabama, a level 4 out of 5, just based on the kind of data that we may have coming in here in the coming hours. Regardless, all of North Alabama is in this enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow. That does indicate numerous severe storms for our Saturday. We are in a marginal risk today. We did see that one thunderstorm earlier this afternoon, perhaps producing a tornado near the Collinsville area. I'm going to loop this for you here in just a second, but this is the current situation on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Here's the wider view to show you that one thunderstorm kind of grazing southern Marshall County, moving into DeKalb County, and then pushing out into Georgia. This did not have a tornado warning with it. It did show some signs of broad rotation. Again, we're working to get more confirmation as to whether or not that was actually a tornado around Collinsville in DeKalb County. This is what we've got through the rest of tonight. If you do have some New Year's Eve celebrations, you can expect temperatures to stay mild. You can also expect a few showers and thunderstorms. Again, the risk for severe weather tonight is relatively low. It increases in a big way by tomorrow afternoon. This is what's on the table for tomorrow in terms of risks. I don't want to clutter up the risk outlook map too much, but there is an outlined area for what we call significant tornadoes, in the sense that we can see EF2 or stronger tornadoes tomorrow, and that does include all of North Alabama. So that's a moderate risk right now. Again, some of those tornadoes can be strong. The risk for high winds 60 to 70 miles per hour, definitely more widespread, not just within those thunderstorms, but also within that line of storms ahead of the cold front heading through tomorrow night. Flooding is also going to be a risk that we'll need to monitor as well, getting some heavy rain with these storms. So from start to finish tomorrow looks like this. Notice how the rain chances really spike later tomorrow afternoon as we head into the evening, and this is what it looks like on future radar through the rest of this afternoon into this evening and tonight. This is 11 o'clock. Some thunderstorms up into Middle Tennessee, not so active here in North Alabama. Showers start streaming in, but that's about it. Don't see a lot of thunderstorm activity at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Even by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we're starting to see a little bit of activity here across our western counties, but all of us will really see this threat increase as the evening goes on. The most concerning thing that I continually see in data sources, this one included, are these individual thunderstorms, likely rotating thunderstorms. We call them supercells, out ahead of the main line. Notice kind of that hook echo shape here. I mentioned this to you time and time again. When the data sources are keying in on imagery like this, that is a big concern and a big reason to stay on guard tomorrow. So that's the leading edge here. Thunderstorms ahead of the main line, which can also have embedded tornadoes. So bear that in mind. This is now 8 o'clock. This is 10 o'clock. That broken line of storms continuing to impact North Alabama, starting to quiet down in the shoals. All of this pushes eastward by midnight, and then we finally start to see things quiet down by 1:30 Sunday morning. And behind all of this, got to talk about it at least a little bit, but look at that. There goes a round of perhaps some wintry weather on Sunday. So I'm not paying a lot of attention to that aspect of the forecast right now. The big focus is preparing for the severe threat. But yeah, snowflakes are not impossible on Sunday. As far as the duration here, timing out all of these storms Saturday into very early Sunday morning, duration 2 to 10 in the shoals along the I-65 corridor, Huntsville included, 3 to midnight, and then from 4 p.m. until 2 a.m. across our eastern counties. 7-day forecast shows us this, that mention of snow on Sunday. And look at the drop in temperatures. It's really no surprise that we're talking severe weather, because the temperatures go from the mid-70s on Saturday into the mid-40s on Sunday. We are crashing down throughout the afternoon with those temperatures down to 25 degrees Monday morning.